Welcome to FiberMall's 100G QSFP28 ZR4 Plus optical transceiver video. This module is designed for 100 kilometers optical communication applications. Internally, it incorporates LWDM 4-wavelength division multiplexing technology to achieve high-efficiency data processing. The optical signals are multiplexed to a single-mode fiber through an industry-standard LC connector. The 100G QSFP28 ZR4 Plus module is designed for long-haul data center. Insert the module into the switch. Connect multiple lengths of fiber optic cable in series to achieve a transmission distance of 100 kilometers between modules. A green indicator light illuminates to confirm a successful connection. After successful connection, you can check the module information, DDM information through commands. Step into the future of high-speed, long-distance networking with the 100G QSFP28 ZR4 Plus transceiver. Tailored for data centers, telecom networks, and enterprise solutions, this advanced module delivers seamless, high-capacity connectivity over extended distances. Choose the 100G QSFP28 ZR4 Plus for a robust, scalable, and energy-efficient solution that powers your network with unmatched reliability. For any inquiries, please visit FiberMall.com.